and we have been sustaining all the outlets of evangelism and propagation because it's my work, it's my calling to do that. My salvation lies in saving souls, saving lives. So even for other individuals, maybe some of them are not even ordained people, some of them are not even called people, but they must support ministration. They must support ministration. They must support evangelism. They must help the needy because their salvation and open doors is tied with it. So what I can tell you is that if you are some of the people that used to do blood sacrifice every time and you neglect those other arms of sacrifice, do you know that fasting is a sacrifice? Do you know that is a key too? And what the problem your sacrifice, your fasting can solve. If you like, go kill Nama, your problem will remain. Because what you need is one. Let me tell you the right sacrifice. The right sacrifice is not that you refuse to eat food and save your money. That one is not sacrifice. If you really want to see the effectiveness of fasting, once you fast, you do not eat, take the equivalent money of that your sacrifice fasting. Example, you are fasting for 7 days, or you are fasting for 3 days, or you are fasting how many days? Remove those money that you supposed to have spent, assuming you decided to go and eat, buy food and eat. For the fact that you did not eat those food, take those money and use it for charity. You see miracle in your eyes. I'm telling you how it works in the spirit. Not when you are fasting because you don't have food at home. Not when you are fasting in order to save money. You call that one fasting, you are deceiving yourself. I will tell you the way it is in the spirit. The way it is in the spirit that whenever you deprive yourself, money is yours. The food is yours. Once you deprive yourself of those things, take out those things. They are no longer yours. For that fasting to be effective, use it and share to the people. Some people are saying that they don't normally like to share things to the people in the village because of after sharing those things, for the whether that's in a hand, have ego my hand or the way the war to pull them down. Yes. And what if women everywhere? Only so now they would experience here. They try before they say I have seen people that said they have tried it once, twice, and whenever they go back to where they base, they keep facing challenges. If you are getting this kind of experience and you feel like you don't want to help charity for the people, you can help others. It's not a must that the charity must be given to your kinsmen. I understand. I know some people that normally reach out to us, for us to use us as a channel to reach out to the less privileged. It still counts. What is important is you are helping a human spirit. This says we are doing segregation. This one is from North, this one is from West, this one is from Yoruba. It's just we human beings that we are all children of Chukwu Keprimi, children of God. So anywhere you help somebody, if you have tried, maybe you want to help your kinsmen, those people in their village that are maybe the widows and everything, and what you are getting in return is not palatable, you can still give out to widows elsewhere. It still counts. What is important that you find a way to help human being. Example, some people that we are helping in our foundation are not even from my town. Majority of them are not from my town. So what I'm telling you in essence is that understand the principle. Whenever you deprive yourself what rightly belongs to you for the betterment of others is a sacrifice. When you deprive yourself of certain pleasure, deny yourself of certain things that is rightly right for the betterment of others is sacrifice. So even we that are called ones, sometimes we create time. We create time for maybe for prayers. Sometimes we wake up in the midnight to make prayers. In the mornings, go to the temple to pray for the betterment of others. Is sacrifice. So whatever you are doing for the benefit of others is sacrifice. So pay attention. Pay attention in all you do. You understand? For the benefit of others. You must pay attention for the benefit of others. So learn what sacrifice is all about. Sacrifice is not only when you sacrifice. Some will be telling me, son, I don't have money to kill a blue, to kill this one. No, even that's your public place. You can help to tidy it. You see some broken bottles that can wound somebody and remove it. It's sacrifice. Those things you see that will be obstacle to others and remove it is a sacrifice. So let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture or you want us to do the consultation for you, chat me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number remains 0805 7837 672 or 0813 8243 871. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike nke Chineke na-apụghị ezi m ụzọ m ga-esi luwo ya n'ihi na ọ mazụrụ ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke meworo m ya gazie. May the blessings of Chukwu Premier be with you all. May you be protected. May you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gazie. Udo dịrị unu.